So now we've got his trapping exactly where we want it. Going straight in there. I've glued that round there, I've taped it with my tape so it can't come out. I've silicone my rubber on. And then what we're going to do, we're going to stick this board down. Where's my knife?
Over there.
See, I'm like a surgeon, me. I get handed stuff what I can't use. He hands me stuff what I can't use, and then I have to mess about while he's just been stood watching me and take the lid off.
What did you use it small?
And that's all you get. Oh, I thought you did that, I thought you did this. Why don't you just try looking? Get your foam in, stick it in. This is foam adhesive. Foam adhesive. Because what we don't want is this board moving. I do this on everything. Everything. Make sure you check underneath, make sure there's nothing there. Slide that back into it, into the joist. Look at that. Then after tweaking, there's something wrong there. This won't go down before that. Might just wanted a little bit of a tweak. Get that in. Get that up. Beautiful. Got to make sure it's flat. Because if it's not flat, it's no good. That's no good. There's something just not right. Something will just want right, and that's what it was. I did have it in, but I thought it would go down. Just put a little bit more lube on there just for good luck. Nothing on there. Get it back in. If you've got fairy hands, you should wear gloves when you're using this. My hands are like bullets. Then I think we'll start here because this is a flat. Has to be flush. Has to be flush. Beautiful. Now that is just beautiful. I think I just have maybe another one there. Just pull that down. See it moving in there. Oh, beautiful. Because what you got to remember, if this floor ain't firm, that tray's not going to be firm. It's just basic science. The floor moves, that tray's going to move. That tray moves, water's going to just find its way. Just finds its way. So, whatever you put down, make sure you put it down properly. And that's it. Now we'll go on to the tray. I'm just going to put some primer on this floor. Just for my rapid set. So here what I'm using dries in half an hour. There you go. Some on that. This is just to get rid of all the dust really. And what I'm going to do, get my mega stick, give it a good shake, and see the expansion gap what I've left for the floorboard. I'm going to fill it. Yeah, I'll do it. Got to be quick with this stuff because it goes off. I mixed it too thinly. I've just done it just nicely, just for what I want. That's why I'm going straight on this. I'm not letting this gear dry because if I let it dry, this will go off too fast. Pull my pants up. Don't want all you women getting giddy, do I? You know what I mean? And your boyfriend's getting jealous. Right, just too thick here. I think I might have a little bit for wrong over there. Put my trowel in there, and then the next thing I do, take the old gloves off. Don't want to dirty my new silicone gun, do I? Plenty of silicone around this. All the way around the edge. This baby will never leak. Bit like Arnold. I'll be back. Well, I won't be back because it'll never leak. Get your tray, give it a quick brush, make sure it's not on it. Get it on there. Don't push it right into the corner yet because we want it to squash up. Squash it down. Right, and then don't go willy-nilly just lumping on it. Get your measure. I mean your level. Make sure that is bang level right into the corner. If you want pushing down, just push it down a bit because once you push it down, you won't get back up with this gear. Give it that wobble side to side. Good. It's just like a work of art, that's what it is. Like a work of art. See, slightly sloping that way, which that's what I want because it's a wet room. I don't want it sloping out of the shower. That way it's too much. So because I've got all that gel up there, I just work it down. That corner there, I want it sloping that way. There you go. And there you go, boys. Look at that. I tell you what, I just don't know how they get me for money, do you? Do you know? I just don't know how they get me for money. Look at that. Can you see that level? Don't dare stand on that tray. Look at that. Beautiful. All four corners. Exact. Show them that one. Beautiful. Now, seeing you've been messing about with your tray for so long, get your silicone. Oh, I don't want to get my fingers dirty again. Just wipe your silicone off. Drop it in. Screw it in gently until you get it. Make sure it goes in flat. No, the only thing what I change about these, what I do is I have a little spindle there where you can pull it and screw it at the same time. Apart from that, the bangle. That's it. Now I'll pull it up. See if I've got is there a lot that in it now? You've got to get it threaded first. Got to make sure your outlet, that's how I've got it on an angle. Make sure that ain't moving. It's on its final notch that now, you can tell if it clicks. There you go, beautiful. Have a look in there, Lee. And that's what you want. I just show you. Can you see me level? And bang level all the way into corners. Into corners. And then this way. The only time you have an issue with a wet room floor is if the tray's not level. If the tray's level, that fall, when you tile it, it's going to be falling, isn't it? We put a 2-inch waste on, up, level, 2-inch waste, make sure that there's no bow on it here. Because Tyler won't thank you for it. Make sure there's no bow on it there. Make sure it's level. And you can't go wrong. What all we have to do now, just squash his gear back in there. Make sure you wipe it off. And that's it. Job's good. See how it's going off already, this stuff. Just scrape it all off. You don't want it affecting the other boards. Get rid of it. Make sure that tray's clean, and then we'll put his other boards on it now. And I'll show you that in a minute, actually.